Hello traders, this is post-market analysis of Nifty 5-minute chart. You can see that in the morning after the market opening, we saw quick movement on the downside and you could have drawn a parallel channel which was a bear channel. You can see there was break of this bear channel and then what we saw was the formation of new low just as per the rules of the price action. If you count from the swing high, we have the first entry long here. This was the first time that a bar high was broken. So this was first entry long. Then you got the second entry long here, which was a rejection bar. And can we see, is there any support there? Definitely there is support here. You could have drawn. There was support here actually. Okay. So we broke that support and this was the breakout which failed. You can see the price came back above this support level. Okay, this was the second entry long of second entry long of the day. Then what we saw, if you count from this swing low, we have the first entry short here. This is first entry short, and the next bar broke the low of this red bar. Okay, then we got the second entry short here, and this green bar low was broken by the red bar. That was second entry short. And as we know, after the formation of new stream, usually we see correction or reversal. What we saw today was correction. You can draw a bull trend line here. Okay. And you can see if you continue counting, this second entry short actually failed here. And this was the third touch point on the trend line. So this was high probability setup at key entry point. Okay. We were in the reversal or the correction phase, and what we got was the failed second entry short. Okay, and it was at support at the same time it was at trend line. So you could have entered this high probability setup at key entry point, and you could have only taken the scalp as there was already a resistance here. And what we got there was the second entry short. If you continue counting for short, this is the first entry short. This bar first broke the high of the previous bar, then it broke the low of previous bar. And you can see this bar had not broken the high of the previous bar, but this red bar broke the high of the previous bar by few points or even in decimals you can say, and then it broke the low of the previous bar. So that is second entry short, though it is overlapping, it formed at resistance level. Okay, and this is second entry short. This is not a high probability setup at key entry point. After the break of bull trend line, usually we expect a new high, but there were no new high formation and price came back to test this support level. It broke the support level and we got the first entry long here. And this red bar broke the high of the previous bar. Okay, that is first entry long. Then we got the second entry long here. Both have matching low, and this bar broke the high of the previous bar. So this is second entry long. That was a good reversal sign. And you can see if you draw a trend line here, they will break formation of new low and then again a correction or reversal. That was correction. Price came back to the 21 EMA and then it formed a double top formation, and you can see the market went sideways and finally it tried to break this support level again and failed. Okay, was there any hyper setup at key entry point here? You could have entered the trade here. Counting from this swing low, we have the first entry short here. This is the first entry short. At the next bar broke the low of this bar. This is the red bar is the first entry short. This is the mother bar. This is the inside bar. Then what we got another leg up. First bullish leg, second bullish leg, and it was over when this red bar broke the low of this shooting star like bar, that is second entry short. So when this low was broken, you could have entered the trade and just taken a scalp trade. There was no swing trade. After such a move, market was oscillating at the 24,000 level. 24,000 is an important level, and the price was going up and down, up and down. It was oscillating around 25K, 24K, and it acts as magnet. Usually these figures 24K, 25K, 23, 26K, these are major levels. There are a lot of positions of the option sellers, and that's why it is hard to break this level. If the market want to go down, usually we will get a gap down opening, and then we will get the scenario where we will see it broken. I will come back tomorrow again with the post market analysis. Thank you.